He's 3.5 years of experience, and he's gonna teach you some basic steps. Okay, so the first thing when you get on the stage to show that you have presence, you strike a pose. Stick to the pose. Make sure everybody knows that you're serious about what you're doing. Okay, how's the pose? Okay. Then we're gonna teach you the first step, which is called horo horo. Horo horo literally means to run. So, ladies and gentlemen, horo horo. Then strike your pose again. Make sure at this point you start smiling nicely. There you go. It's windy on the stage, please forgive him. Then the next step that we have is called pauti. Pauti means scissors. Pauti. Hey. Okay. The third step we're going to teach you is still windy. Ori opu. Okay, so ori opu, very simple. Opu means stomach. Opu means stomach, and ori is to dance. So we put both of them together. It goes like this: ori opu. Hey. All right. The last one we're teaching you today is. Yeah, I know, it is windy. You guys don't realize when you're on stage, it happens. The last step we're going to teach you is his favorite step. We call it nene. And nene goes this way. Here we go. Tahiru, you watch me whip, whip, you watch me